I used blowout relaxer to achieve this fluffy and soft bun on my natural hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Texlaxing, and if you are new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So first of all, I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm going to tie my hair, guys. I did read the instruction on the chemical, and it said you have to section your hair into 4, and then you can start applying. And the entire process, we should do it in 10 minutes, guys. So you have to fast with this in 10 minutes. I didn't want my hair to be like too much like relaxed. I wanted it to be in between natural and relaxed, but more on the natural side, because my hair is like really thick and it tangles quickly. As you can see right there, I was struggling to open the parting, and I just decided to use my fingers to open it. And that is the main reason why I decided to use this blowout relaxer, because I'm tired of fighting with my own hair every time. So I'm going to wear my gloves, these plastic gloves, so that I can protect my skin on my hands, and then I'm just going to secure them with a rubber band like that. So I'm going to apply Vaseline on the perimeter of my head, right here at the front, on the skin, and also on the ear, so that if chemicals goes there, it won't burn your skin, guys. So make sure you apply as much Vaseline as you can on the perimeter of your head, on your skin, so that you won't burn yourself. And don't apply the Vaseline on your hair, because that way your the chemical won't work. So I'm going to be using this Sta-Sof-Fro blowout relaxer, and I'm going to apply it section by section. So the entire process is supposed to be 10 minutes only. If I go above that, my hair is going to be too much like silky relaxed, and I didn't want that. So the instructions say that you have to do this in less than 10 minutes, so that you can still have that fluffy soft natural. Yeah, if you want your hair to be like, to look like relaxed, like silky straight relaxed, you can keep the chemical more than that, but I didn't want that, and that is why I didn't use regular relaxer, because if I used that, my hair wouldn't have come out the way that I wanted. So that is why I use this blowout relaxer, so that I can be on the safe side and achieve what I wanted. So I'm just sectioning my hair little by little and applying, but later on the other section, I just decided to start by applying on the perimeter and then apply inside, because I was running out of time, guys. I was running out of time. I didn't want to lose, like, I love my natural hair band, guys, like those fluffy big band. I love them a lot, so I still wanted to do that. You know, those days when you are just too lazy to do other styles and you just want to wear your hair, I love doing my band. So that is why I wanted to just soften my hair a little bit and not make it silky straight. So I just applied like that, and then I just massaged the chemical into my hair. And make sure that you do this first. Like I said before, apply Vaseline on the perimeter, like on your skin. That way the chemical, that when they're on my skin, it did not burn me, because there was Vaseline underneath. Yeah, so on this section, I started off by applying around the perimeter, and then I applied inside, and I was doing this as fast as I could possibly do, so that I won't run out of time. Yeah, so just continue sectioning my hair and applying the chemical. So guys, if you are tired of fighting with your own hair like me, you can use this blowout relaxer. Don't use a regular relaxer, because it works faster than this. Yeah, so if you can find a blowout relaxer and you want to soften your hair a little bit, you can do it, and make sure you don't have the chemical in your head for a long time. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to do that, apply and massage. I'm not going to comb my hair. I'm just going to apply the chemical and massage it in, and then after that, guys, I will wash it off. Like, I was running out of time right here. 10 minutes is like really short. It's really short, and if you can find someone to do this for you, that way it will be quicker and easier. Like when you want when you are doing it on yourself, it's risky, because there are high chances that your hair will become too soft than you were actually going for. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to do that. At the back, I sectioned my hair into 2 again, and I'm just going to apply on those 2 sections right here at the back, and then just massage the chemical in right there. Just apply the chemical on the perimeter of your section right there, and then apply inside so that the chemical can be distributed to the entire hair. So just take your chemical, apply inside right there, massage, and add more chemical if necessary. I bought 500 ml of this blowout relaxer, but I did not use the entire jar of it. So you can get away with a 250 ml. Yeah, so if you buy the same, you can get away with a 250 ml, because I have almost half remaining from the 500 ml that I bought. Yeah, so I just applied more on the hair and then just massage your hair. And guys, right here I was running out of time. Like, I set a timer and my time was up. So I had to be quick with this and wash this off before I regret the entire process. Yeah, so I was keeping this chemical for a while, this relaxer. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this because I was scared that my hair would turn silky straight, but I just decided, let me do this and see what happens. And I'm so happy that my hair did not get silky straight. It did just soften up a little bit, and I was happy with that. So I just went off camera and washed the relaxer off. And guys, this is how my hair was looking like after I washed it off and conditioned. This is how it was looking like. And I just applied a little bit of this Isoplus hair food. I did not apply too much oils or hair food because I wanted to do like a bun, and the gel I wanted to use, you should not, like, your hair should not be too oily for it to work properly. Yeah, so I just comb my hair like that, and then I used a hot air brush to dry my hair. I did a review before of this hot air brush, and I tested it on my thick hair and it was dry and it worked really well, guys. So I'm going to link that tutorial in the description just in case you want to check it out, so that you can use it on your thick hair. I recommend it. So I just went ahead to dry my hair until it was really dry. Like, I didn't want it to be wet. And guys, as you can see, my hair is fluffy, and I loved the softness, guys. My hair feels so soft. Like, I can use a tail comb like that and it was not painful. I wasn't struggling with it. Like, up until now, guys, I'm wearing my hair and it feels so soft. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to dry my hair, and then after this I just did my bun, guys. Like I said before, I love my fluffy bun. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue. After my hair was dry, I just brushed the hair up and then tied my hair, guys. So do let me know what you think about this blowout relaxer. Are you going to try it out? Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. And I'm really happy with the results. I achieved what I wanted. Yeah, so just take your wool and then tie your bun, guys. And that is all, guys. That is all. So if you want to like soften your hair a little bit, make sure you don't use a regular relaxer, because there are high chances that your hair will become too soft than what you wanted. Yeah, so I'm just going to tie like that, and then, guys, that is all. And now my hair feels so soft. I'm not struggling with it. I'm happy with it. Yeah, guys, so that is all for today's tutorial. Do let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Are you going to try it out? Do let me know down below, guys. Yeah, so if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and join the family. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video, guys. Thank you in advance to all of you who share my videos. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.